Hi, my name is Anthony Vulin with the Collective Realty, and I'm about to show you 950 Kings Road, Unit 241. The Courtyards of West Hollywood is really charming condo complex. It's almost resort-like. You're not going to find any other condo complex that has so much lush landscaping, grass areas, beautiful pool. It's just really special. I mean, who wouldn't love all this lush landscaping and these really cool courtyards? Gorgeous pool. The courtyard does have a gym. Unfortunately, it's closed during the COVID pandemic, but it will be reopened. This is the view walking out to the main gate. I mean, it's really a gorgeous property. And little squirrels. And grand entrance. Have a very large patio, able to put a barbecue, table, chairs, a few more plants. Pretty private balcony. Let's take a look inside. Gas fireplace, good sized living room, separate dining area, and kitchen that opens up to the living area. Many residents have got rid of this top area up here to open the kitchen up a little bit more. Plenty of room to put a buffet, mirror, nice dining room table. All the wood in the kitchen is all solid oak, so that can be refinished, painted white, or stained another color if you prefer. And as I said, if you're able to take out these cabinets here, just pop them out pretty easily, it would definitely open up your view to the entire living room and the patio area. Appliances are in great condition. Now this is the master. Master is definitely large enough to have a king-size bed with a couple of large end tables. As you can see, the view out of the master window is very private. You're not looking into anybody else's unit. There's some greenery or patio here, which you could add even more plants. But it is a very good sized room. Then we walk into the master bathroom. They have many built-ins here at this point. This area actually could be removed if you don't need all that storage, and there is plenty of room to put in a double sink vanity. And I have a unit here that's exactly the same, and I just went to Modern Bath and put in a floating vanity with 2 sinks, and it was all white, modern, looked beautiful, and it was not that expensive to do. There's also a full wall of closets on this side. And then we have bathroom with a stand-up shower. So pretty simple there. Might want to retile that or redo that. But otherwise, the unit's very, very clean. And the great part about the unit is that you have the 2 suites, bedroom, bathroom on opposite side of the unit. So now we're going to walk across the unit. Another closet here. Even larger area of closets, this full wall here of closets. If you wanted to put a washer and dryer in, it is allowed in the building, and it would go right here where these closets are. Here we have a bathroom, basic bathroom with the vanity, and they upgraded the shower to have a shower, tub, with jets. In my unit, I decided to just take out the tub and make it a large shower with a nice glass door, and it's actually pretty spacious, so that was great. The guest bedroom is here. It's a little bit smaller than the master. I would recommend a queen in here with 2 end tables. And again, there's another closet. So this unit actually has definitely decent storage space. And again, the bedroom, you know, it's pretty private. It looks out to your patio, and there's a great jacaranda tree out there. It has purple flowers in the late spring. And you're not looking into another unit like a lot of the units do in West Hollywood. Give you one more look back out at the area here. It's really great to have these huge windows in the living area. And again, my name is Anthony Vulin with The Collective. Thank you for touring 950 Kings Road, Unit 241 in West Hollywood. If you'd like to see this property in person, give me a call, 310-569-1335, or just look at my info below. Have a great day, guys, and check out some of our other videos. Make sure to subscribe to our page.